light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Good morning, everyone. Today's assembly is going to be conducted by students of class 9th B. The theme of this assembly is a teen's perspective. In the present scenario, it is very important for all of us to know what is the need of our teenagers. Our teenagers just want love, support, encouragement, and attention. Today's teenager seems to be surrounded by an overload of things to do. Giving our children helpful attention helps us to develop close and cooperative bond with them. Teenage is the time for choices. Acknowledging and respecting their choices doesn't mean you have to sit back and lose control. It simply means that they want helpful attention rather than protective attention. Teens are hardwired for relationships. They thrive on projects, peer interaction, and group work. Give them some choices and control.
Get ready for English prayer. God, please enlighten my mind with truth, inflame my heart with love, inspire my will with courage, enrich my life with service, pardon what I have been, sanctify what I am, and order what I shall be.
Good morning, everyone. Get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its and rich, very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and to my people, I pledge my devotion, India's well-being and prosperity alone. Lies mapping.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is positive thoughts can change perspective, transform behaviors and attract good fortune. Thank you.
Get ready for national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रावड़ उच्छल गंगा विंध हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल चलत तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जनगण मंगल धायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय